All right, and Fright Fest has come early for Six Flags investors after the company missed big on both the top and bottom lines. What a different quarter, Brad. You take Six Flags here, telling investors that their attendance fell 22% in the most recent quarter. Stack that up to what we heard from Disney, a blowout quarter in the parks business. Wow, what a difference.
Yeah, I believe our producer Connor recalled this as a Fright Fest in our pre-show Slack channel. But thinking about what needs to take place there, and of course, there's two different ways to think about Six Flags versus Disney. Six Flags is just a subset of Disney's overall business. However, for Six Flags, the engagement that they have to do, a re-engagement campaign that a Six Flags has to do, while at the same price monitoring everything from their input costs, and they talked about that in this most recent quarter, where the company has had to kind of offset the decrease in revenue with lower cash operating costs, full-time headcount reductions, employee hours worked, advertising costs, and that advertising cost is pretty specific as well here, and particularly because in that re-engagement campaign that you would see even cruise line operators have to do, that's significant in just getting people back into the park experience and excited to come back into a major event such as a Fright Fest later on in the year, or just one of the reopenings that they may have at a park once you finally hit summertime. They also blamed Jesus and blamed spring break as well, saying that Easter was later on this year and that there were not as many spring breakers to come through as well.
Oh, that's just wrong, Six Flags. But continuing this theme that we haven't seen a recession, or not necessarily in one. So Disney noted in-park spending very, very strong. Six Flags, despite their drop in attendance, in-park spending up 18%. And we all know, when we go to these parks, it is pricey. Yeah. Bottle of water. One of our colleagues were talking about a lightsaber at Disney as well. Really expensive stuff. So
$30 for a lightsaber.
Yeah, you're probably not buying that lightsaber if you're, feeling recessionary.
No, you better imagine that lightsaber.
But you're paying for compliments on Bumble.
25 cents.